Heads up, Rankin and Madison County drivers that utilize this stretch of Highway 43 at the reservoir. Beginning Monday, July 28th, MDOT crews must shut down both directions of this corridor to temporarily make an emergency repair on the roadway leading up to this relief bridge. These emergency repairs are non-optional. Without them, the structural integrity of the bridge approach would continue to deteriorate and eventually lead to a complete failure of the roadway. We're acting now to prevent a greater inconvenience and a greater danger in the future. This stretch of Highway 43 is as old as the Ross Barnett Reservoir itself. Over time, water has caused the end wall of the bridge to erode, which, if not repaired, would eventually result in a roadway failure. In recent months, MDOT crews have been patching the area weekly to keep the road safe and passable as crews work on a repair project. However, a recent bridge inspection revealed a significant void underneath the bridge approach, one that needs to be repaired to prevent a permanent closure of the roadway. Advanced warning signs are in place leading up to the location to warn drivers of the upcoming closure. Drivers will need to detour around the closure via Highway 25 and I-55. Although close, this is a different bridge on Highway 43 than the one that temporarily closed in 2022 for a bridge deck overlay, but drivers can utilize the same detour routes. The contractor has 66 calendar days to get the repairs made. Any day after the milestone date will result in damages of $59,000 per day. All boat ramps and businesses on each side of the closure will remain accessible during the closure. We understand that closing this road temporarily creates a hardship for families, businesses, and commuters who rely on it daily. However, this is non-negotiable. Your safety comes first. Please be patient and give our crews the time and the space needed to safely make these emergency repairs. You can stay updated on this emergency repair project by following MDOT on social media at Mississippi DOT and visiting mdottraffic.com for updates.